Hello, my name is Charlie Johnson. Today I've got a package here. We're going to do a little review on it. I haven't made a video in a while, so we're going to see how this goes. Let's see, I got this from the House of Stamps. So hopefully I can put new designs on my work. Receipt. Wow. It's pretty nice. Just get it open without tearing up the seal. That would be awesome. Sorry if it's windy. It's windy here in Oklahoma right now. Wow. Oh, that's pretty cool. Stupid wind. Keep in mind they are not paying me, they don't even know I'm making this video, so hopefully they don't mind. Oh, that's a nice little stamp. I like that. Yeah. Alright, well, let's see how it does. Alright, so that hair tie is done. That's nice. I like that stamp right there. Hair tie right there. Not bad. If you want to buy one like this or this one, it's $10 on my website, my Shopify website. Or you can contact me through Instagram or Facebook, however you want to do it. $5 shipping. But this stamp is nice. I like that. It's a nice stamp. Be sure to visit House of Stamps. Get some more stamps from them. They have new stamps coming out quite a bit, actually. I follow them on Facebook and I've been to their website. That's where I ordered this one. Good prices, good quality work. Thank you.